Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos from Doritos. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and line a tray while measuring cheese and toppings. Arrange a single even layer of Doritos, sprinkle a thin base of cheese, and add half the toppings now. Bake until cheese melts and edges crisp, then add fresh toppings and a final sprinkle. Serve hot for best crunch and flavor. Layering makes or breaks Doritos nachos, so start with a thin cheese base to glue chips together and add Doritos in a staggered pattern. Sprinkle cheese between layers and reserve some for the top so everything melts evenly. Pop them in the oven just until the cheese bubbles, then finish with fresh cilantro, diced tomato, and sliced jalapeños. This method keeps chips crisp under the toppings while maximizing cheesy coverage. Think about balance when choosing toppings for Doritos nachos. Cooked proteins, quick beans, and pickled jalapeños add savory notes, while fresh salsa and a squeeze of lime brighten the dish. Add heavier ingredients like beef or chicken under the cheese so they heat through without drying. Hold wet ingredients like guacamole and sour cream until after baking to maintain crispness. Plate immediately and enjoy with a cold drink for a satisfying snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.